Okay, this is a quick video, Ken, so you can see how to log into NetLabs and how to make a reservation so you can look at the labs themselves. So, first things first, let me share my screen. So I'm at oll.stanley.edu. I'm going to log in with my account, which will be, you'll log in with whatever your account was, which I believe was I sent to you. Once you get logged in, you go to schedule lab for myself. Okay. You're going to go to your class, which is the SCC MultiSim. You'll notice there's just one available lab design. It's our NDG one client pod, no lab. So you click there. And then you'll see the pod itself. So here's the master pod. Now the red line is right now, and then you can do it anytime in the future if you want to. You also can change this if you don't want military time and change it under your profile. But for right now, I'm just going to click at the red line, which will start a reservation right now. You can do up to 4 hours. I'm going to just do 2 hours, 13 minutes right now and click submit. Once you do that, you will see that you have an enter lab. So now you have a running reservation. If this reservation was for in the future, so again, if I went schedule lab for myself, went down here to MultiSim, do this no lab, click on it. If I did it, say for this afternoon, and I'll do this and I'll cancel it later, but I'll do it for an afternoon one. You would see two different ones in my reservations, one that's going on right now and one that is currently or is in the future. Now if I click enter lab, if the pod was still booting, you get that little spinning wheel there. Now there's no content in these labs, nothing at all, because this is just a pod for you to give your students assignments through Canvas. So it is not, there's going to be no content, but you will be able to click on the client. And when you do, it logs into the system itself. And then this is just a Windows machine that's got MultiSim on it. So here's MultiSim 14.1, click on it. The pod does have internet access. So the students will be able to, I'm doing incognito window, so this won't be in the thing, but if you go to cheese.com, that's what I always use to test internet access because no one ever goes to cheese.com. Thank you, Lee Montrose, a good friend of mine who used to work at Stanley. Well, come on now. So cheese.com, we have internet access. We have MultiSim. So your students can go there. They obviously can also go to Canvas. Oops. They can also very easily go to canvas.stanley.edu where you could upload your assignments and have them log in, and then they'll be able to go to Canvas and use Canvas. So again, here's the pod. Here's MultiSim. There's other items on here in the all that. If you need anything else, you just scroll down into the National Instruments folder, which has all the other stuff in there. In fact, I loaded everything because I didn't know what all you needed, so I loaded it all. Now, when you get done, obviously you don't have to close MultiSim if you don't want to, but when you get done with your reservation, just click reservation, end reservation now, and that will end the reservation. Now, on the pods, once we get them made, that will actually return the pods to default state, so nothing gets saved on them. This pod, because it's the master pod that I'm having you check before I clone it out, this pod, anything you put on it, anything you save will be saved on the master pod. So if you wanted to download a bunch of documents and put them on the desktop for your students, you could do that. And then when I clone it out, they would be on every clone that I make of it. Now, like I said, this is a future reservation. I can just click here and cancel it. That way I'm not using that time this afternoon. All right, so I hope that's helped. If you have any other questions, let me know, and we'll do everything we can to help you.